Take a ride in the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, daytime running lights, steel wheels, front wheel drive, tires, front all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all season, wheel covers, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.